Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. Hope you are doing well and you are healthy in this COVID related pandemic situations. This video is some kind different from others which I have made previously because they are basically based on puzzle solving such as Rubik's Cube solving or chess tournament. But this video is actually a video through which I want to take you to a journey of my sketchbook. It is actually proposed by Mr. Shomodit Das. As you know, he is our friend. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Okay, now come to the main topic. Now you can see here, these are all my drawings. These all drawings are from 2019 since now. At first I will show you the drawings of 2019 and then comes 2020 and now what I have drawn in this lockdown period. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first, as you can see, here is a sketch with pen and ink. It is in 2019 when I tried to draw some sketches like that. You can see it's my first pen and ink drawing. So if something is missed, please consider. Okay, then some sort of sketches again, you can see. Now all are basically sketches. See, in 2019 I have been addicted to sketches only, basically in pen and ink sketches. So this one, now this is an interesting picture. You can see in this picture I wanted to know some perspective, so I drew some roads where some trees are around and beside the road. This sort of perspective study. I know this picture may look weird because the lights are shining and reflecting from the pencil strokes, so please consider. Now then I recovered and some improvement has come to my hand, so this picture come out. This is a waterfall. I can remember that I have drawn it from YouTube, and the channel was something Alphanso Dunn. He has a book also. I can give you the link so you can check it out. Thank you. Next, again pen and ink. This sort of perfection, I have drawn it in 2 hours. A pretty long time for a pen and ink drawing, but the results are quite good for me. Next, again pen and ink. These all are drawing based on urban areas or in rural areas of West Bengal and beyond West Bengal. These all are photograph pens. Okay. Okay, now after that I bought a pencil set. This is called Artline pencils, and with this my first drawing was this. I know it's pretty weird because lights are shining and reflecting, so you can consider. This was my first impressive drawing. My maternal uncle praised me for this. So okay, hope you enjoyed it. Next comes a picture of a boy. It's a thematical picture because the boy is from a area which is victim of any kind of physical and mental disorders, and he is actually handicapped and came up from a very poor family. You can see in this picture, I can guarantee. I have just studied here some hatches and some techniques of pen drawing. Okay. This was my first time live painting, portrait picture drawing. He is my brother. He was just in front of me. I tried and failed and tried and failed. At last it came out. This is a gift from me to my brother. Now some sort of eye drawing, you know. You know, it's some crazy. Now let's change the taste. After all these stuffs like pen and ink drawing, I have tried acrylic painting. So my first acrylic painting was this. I can easily call up. Weird, yeah? Yeah. Then from my hand this came out. Sri Ganesha. It's my second acrylic painting. It's on handmade paper. It's not a professional acrylic paint paper, but it performed so well for me. Then from YouTube I tried to make a realistic picture, but nothing happened so much. So this is a acrylic painting. Then this is also a acrylic. This is a landscape. I draw it from picture, not a drawing, a photograph. Okay. There's some loose pages up there. Then this one. This is a waterfall and a forest coming out from the side of the waterfall. I am not mastering acrylic paints, but tried. Okay, you may consider. Now my last acrylic painting is this. After that, all my drawing supplies were washed out, and now I am not attracted to acrylic paints because of some reasons, you know. Okay, then I started watercolor. This was my first watercolor. It looked weird, yeah, I know. All are messy. Please comment below on this picture. I wanna know. Then some sort of urban watercolor pictures, you know. From this time I started some progress in watercolor. Okay, this is my first impressive watercolor picture. Now comes this sort of a thematic picture, you know. These are all my drawings of 2019 to 2020. Now in 2021 I drew some pictures in some days, in a month. So my first pen and ink drawing was this in 2021. You can see. Yeah. Then I tried oil pastel also. I have tried to draw a Sri Krishna. This is from YouTube, you know. Now some sort of watercolor pictures. This is a picture which I have drawn from a photograph of a Konkon village in Kerala. Okay. This is a picture. I have drawn it from YouTube. Actually, the main picture is drawn by Milind Malik, the famous Indian watercolor artist. Now this one. I have improved a lot from past years because the colors are now bright. Before these were dull, so I think it's pretty good for me as a beginner artist. Thank you. Now my last watercolor drawing is this. This is also a photograph painting. Okay. Now last I practice some sketches in my free time. This is my first ball pen painting, and this was my free time pass. I was studying portrait drawing, so these are all my drawings. So that's it for this video. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, please like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share.